So we're gonna go on the first leg of our trip right here. And have some drinks right here, so we'll check this out. Black label. Really, really nice seats. Plenty of space. We're gonna go here first to Muang Phung, and then we're gonna then head to Vang Vieng the next day to catch a train over to Luang Prabang. So it's awesome. Okay, so this is something I've never seen yet. So there's like nothing here yet. Okay, but then you go inside the bathroom and check this out. This is, I've not seen this before ever. So having outdoor sinks like this is nothing new here in Laos. But check this out. This is kind of crazy. Okay, you have a whole bunch of stalls here. I mean, a lot. Okay, look at this. There's literally nobody here. I'm the only person here. But then check this out. Look at this. I have seen outdoor stalls here in Laos, but there's a lot. So I'm not sure what they're building, but man, I've never seen anything like this. Look at this.
This is like the Buc-ee's of Laos.
I know, but like there's nobody here though. There's literally nobody here. So I'm not sure what they're building here, but it looks like it's built by Chinese, as with most things. Check that out. So I have no idea. But then when you're done, you come here to it's massive. This is probably the biggest bathroom I've seen in Laos so far. Here's the outside location. I have no idea what this is supposed to be because it is literally still under construction. But the one thing as you saw that is complete is the bathroom. And all of this is in Chinese, and well, Chinese and Laos, but obviously they have bigger plans for this. So whatever it is that they're gonna do in here, and it's like kind of just right here, and there's another one across the street. So yeah, really don't know. It is probably one of the most interesting stops we've been in for sure. I'm never seeing anything quite like this. Empty, massive restrooms. God, so crazy but cool at the same time.